Today I want to show you guys how to make a star from a pepper. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Beryl Callysta Quenna. I'm from 7H. If you want to make a star like this, you have to get a pepper like this. If you don't have or don't find it in anywhere, you can cut it from HVS paper, carton paper, or anything else. Sometimes I cut it with long 20 centimeter times 1 centimeter. Then if you want much color, you can coloring it or you can paint it. First time that you have to do this. Put your left hand in here, then put your right hand in here, like this. After that, this one you make like this. And this piece, make this. So if you make much, you can put it like this with a glue, of course, so it makes it beautiful. And if you're boring, you can make sometimes you put in a place like this to give for your friend's birthday. And you can write some text in here. After that, you make a star, you put in here or you glue it in here, then give it to your friend that is birthday or your best friend. If you want to give in a present, so like this. You can make many color, or if you want to make a rainbow color, you can make it too. Like you can use the red one, the orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, or white too. You can put it in the place like this, then you close it. And then you give to your friend for it. You can write in here or something, or you write in here, then you make a star, then you glue it in here to give it to your friend. After that, your friend can open the star to see your message. So that's our tutorial for me to make a star from a pepper, and I'm so sorry if there a wrong tutorial and a wrong sentence for me that make you don't know what I am saying. And I want to say thank you to you for watching my video. So goodbye.